Let's see what happens with evolution. Let's see if birds are cannibals. Don't be camera shy. You know you want it. I know you're looking at me, looking at the chicken wing. Should I do it or not? Maybe if I roll my window up and hide. It's either he gets it. Oh man, this guy's got a bad. Oh, poor guy. He's got a bad leg. He better get it. Better get it, dude. Eat it.
Oh, that bird.
He's got a bad leg, poor guy. Wow. Poor guy. But he's fighting. It's all yours, dog. Take it. Go for it, dog. Oh, that's gonna mess you up. Oops. Next time I'm gonna throw some meat out. Guys, ready? Here's one. Damn, dog. Guess you were hungry. Yeah. You ain't looking over that fucking bone. It's tug of war. Yeah, that's his. Hey, give me some of that. Hey, I want to share. Yeah, talking shit. Yeah. Remember, kids. Try to share, but feed yourself first. You can't help other people unless you help yourself. That poor bird's got a bad leg, so he needs to eat first. Yep, that's his. It's gone. Damn, boy. You just, I hope you're okay, man. You ate a whole chicken. Damn, man. I guess I was hungry. Well, you kids have a great day. God loves you, and try to be good. That's all I could ask. I was bad sometimes, but you know, hey, don't get me in trouble. This is John and Nancy saying hi. Bye now.